Welcome. Is it important of the people those who are students? So today I will be explaining something. So quite well, like we have a habit of spending our time in the libraries also, like when like where we can buy some book every single day. That is not called them library. So also where we can spending to our educated time. That is called them libraries. Also, as you can see, every student, those who are involved in college, school, and different kind of education place. Also, they have a library that is system. So as you can see, my important in library, as here is more than 10 kinds of book. Also, those book always helpful for me, and I can take use of the sources. So actually, here is. My favorite book is also English, quite well. Like I can get from use of the sources from my book. So like when I track history, when I interested to read the history, I have to read in English grammar class. I have get some different kinds of noise from here, and it will be super helpful, and I can make here properly. So generally, I thought that like here is specialty. Like when I wanna write some here. Like I can get an opportunity. Like after reading, I can after at the time of writing, I'm so excited. Like how can I write here something? I don't know. So I like yesterday some people also here come to see my library, and they saw definitely here is a notebook way. So reality is also here, and I think entertainment and your future plan is also standing and sitting and sleeping on this library. So those library is live with the student all the Bangladesh. Thank you very much.